Want to learn faster, smarter, and with less effort? In 2025, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's your personal tutor, productivity coach, and research assistant, all in one. And I am going to show you the top 5 AI tools to boost your learning in 2025. Number 1, ChatGPT Plus. Use it to summarize textbooks, generate practice questions, or even simulate conversations in a foreign language. It's like having a genius study buddy 24/7. Number 2, gamma.app. Forget boring PowerPoints. This AI turns your notes into beautiful, dynamic presentations, instantly. Great for studying and teaching. 3, rewind.ai for Mac users. It records everything you do, hear, or see on your screen, and makes it searchable. Missed that Zoom lecture? Just type a keyword. It's there. 4, audiopen.ai. Speak your messy thoughts. It turns them into clear, structured notes, perfect for brainstorming ideas or preparing for exams. And 5, notion.ai. Whether you're planning your study schedule, summarizing articles, or writing essays, Notion does the heavy lifting while you stay focused. Which tool are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI tools to level up your brain, don't forget to subscribe. This is just the beginning.